Hi everybody, welcome back to another CYT-Crypto episode. My name's Stephen Aitchison, and today I want to kick off a series talking about something I spoke about yesterday in a video, one of my hidden gem picks, and it's a project called Planet Finance. I spoke about it. I'll link to a video down below why I think it could explode very soon, and I named it as a hidden gem. But I want to do a series of videos because I've had lots of questions. So what I'll do is I'll just make one video per question, and I think that's the quickest way to do it, the best way to do it. So you've got you might have about 10 videos answering a specific question. And if you've got any other questions, just put a comment down below as well. So we're going to be looking at the obvious question: what is Planet Finance? This is a website here. Planet Finance is basically a suite of DeFi apps. DeFi, as you know, decentralized finance, that's what it stands for, and it's designed to help you get the most out of your investing and trading opportunities out there. Planet Finance is saying the best DeFi apps all in one space. And I love the kind of layout of Planet Finance. This is one of the things I love about it. So we'll just go over quickly what Planet Finance is. So basically, as I said, it's a suite of DeFi apps, and the apps are designed into planets. So you've got different tokens or different types of tokens and different protocols for the different planets. So for example, the blue planet, which was launched first, is really for stablecoins. So we'll just jump over to that just now. And really is designed as a way to aggregate the best kind of yields on stablecoins. And you're getting some of the best yields out there for the stablecoins just now. So you've got Aqua BUSD, USDC BUSD, and 4Belt as well, UST USDC. So really, if you look at the rates that you're getting compared with any other yield aggregators, you're getting 35.94, 28.69, 45, 31, 30, 31, 38 for stablecoins. That is amazing returns on investment, and that's from aggregating. So you're getting some good, brilliant returns on there. So imagine you have UST and you've got USDC as well. You could put $1,000 in of each, and you could get a 45% APY, which is annual percentage yield, for you as well. So if we click on that, you can deposit or transform, first of all, if you have UST and USDC, kind of max it out and do $1,000 of each, for example, and then you're going to get Aqua tokens as earnings from that. You can put your Aqua tokens back in to compound it, or you can keep the Aqua tokens as well, as they could appreciate in capital value as well. So that's for stablecoins. That's for the blue planet. That's already out just now. It's also got a swap, an AMM, which you can use, which is an automated market maker, which is just like Pancake Swap. So you can swap BNB tokens for Aqua tokens, or BUSD, Cake, BTCB, Ethereum. It'll be wrapped Ethereum, UST, etc., and just buy a number of tokens for them on their AMM platform. And this is the best place to buy the Aqua tokens as well. And you've got voting rights as well. So you can see here, this is a snapshot, 62 members just now, and they've got the different proposals there of what you can do. So your Aqua token, as an Aqua token holder, you're going to be able to vote on these proposals, just like you've heard of EIP for the Ethereum proposals as well. So this is what we've got for Planet Finance. So if you hold the Aqua tokens, you'll be able to vote on these proposals as well. So basically there's 100,000 Aqua tokens, and they're going to be kind of issued over a period of 200 days. And you had your initial circulating supply, and then you're going to get 500 per day issued for 200 days, and that's coming to an end in November, mid-November sometime. So once that stops, it's going to be us, all the Aqua token holders, who decide on the future of Planet Finance, which is brilliant. The teams are going to be in there as well, but the teams had to buy their own tokens as well. So they didn't mint any tokens to the teams. The teams actually had to buy the Aqua tokens themselves as well. So it's going to be governed by the Aqua token holders, which is fantastic. That's at the mid to end of November as well. So that's the blue planet. Matrix is coming soon as well. Voting, as I said, you've seen what that is. And that's it, it's for stablecoins. The next one is the red planet. That is for cryptocurrencies. And you're going to see it's the same again. You've got a swap there, you've got the voting there as well. Matrix is coming soon. but you've got different cryptocurrencies in there. You've got BTC, which is going to be wrapped or belt, BNB, Ethereum as well, Cake, BNB Link, and you've got DOT in there as well, and you're going to get some good returns on your investment for the APYs on that as well. So that's the red planet. That's already out as well. Next planet that's already out is Uranus. These are talking about what they kind of first termed shitcoins, but they're not really shitcoins. We've got to look at, we've got XRP in there, they've got Uni in there, they've got Dogecoin in there, they've got Cardano in there as well, Alpaca, Bunny in there as well. Again, an APY kind of aggregator as well, and you're going to get the best yields on that. So it's the farming side of these kind of shitcoins. And again, you've got the swap for this as well, and you've got the voting, just exactly the same as the other planets. Now, the green planet, which is going to be coming out, that's not out yet. So they're talking about the green planet, and that's going to be coming out very soon. It should be this month sometime, and that's going to be their lending platform. This is really what's going to drive the TVL up, or the total value locked up, which is currently around about $220 million locked up in Planet Finance just now. But Green Planet, when that comes out, is really going to kind of explode the TVL as well, I would imagine. And this is your lending platform. So it's an incentivized non-custodial lending protocol for earning interest on deposits and borrowing assets as well. But it's also going to be issued with Gamma tokens. There's going to be 100 million Gamma tokens that come out with this as well. And they're going to be used to incentivize people to use the actual platform as well. So you can lend your crypto and start earning instantly with the Gamma tokens. They're going to be reward tokens as well. So, and for people who hold the Aqua tokens, you're going to get 50 Gamma tokens for every one Aqua token you have. That'll get airdropped to you as well. So it's worth holding the Aqua tokens as well as the capital appreciation. You're going to get the Green Planet tokens here as well. So that's coming out very soon. That's going to explode, I feel, Planet Finance as well. That's really going to put it on the map. We've got the Pink Planet coming out as well. That's going to be an NFT marketplace as well. Excited to see that as well. NFTs are really big just now, obviously, as well. And I would imagine Known Planet Finance and the team from Planet Finance are going to do something a wee bit different with the NFTs. I don't think it's just going to be a way to kind of buy and hold NFTs. There might be some kind of DeFi mixed in there as well, where you could earn or lend out your NFTs or whatever. And there's going to be another one called the Purple Planet, and that's going to be another big one with regards to insurance protocol as well. So that's really shaping up to be amazing. And there's going to be other kind of apps that come out on Planet Finance as well. So that's just a very quick overview of what Planet Finance is. So if you just think of it as a suite of apps in one place, a suite of DeFi apps in one place, and it's there to maximize the returns on your investments and your trading opportunities as well. So that's it in a nutshell. If you've got any questions at all, let me know. And until the next video, namaste. Take care. Bye now.